Hello everyone, again with the new topic glycosides. Kindly like, subscribe my channel GPET Concepts by Neelam Somani. Now again very important topic glycosides as a topic of pharmacognosy also, medicinal chemistry also, and chemistry of natural products also. There are a lot of questions arises from this topic glycoside. So now we will start the general introduction of glycosides. First one, these are organic in nature. Second one is these are plant origin. As we all know, organic in nature and plant origin. There are two portions of glycosides, sugar and non-sugar. We can say sugar moiety and non-sugar moiety. Sugar moiety is called as glycone part and non-sugar moiety is called as aglycone part. Now glycoside is comprises of glycone and aglycone part. Now this is connected with a linkage and the linkage is called as hemiacetal linkage, that is obtained from reducing the presenting groups aldehydes or keto group. So here the general introduction of glycoside: organic in nature, origin from plant, sugar moiety and non-sugar. Sugar part is called as glycone and non-sugar part is called as aglycone. The linkage between this glycone and aglycone part is called as hemiacetal linkage, and this hemiacetal linkage is obtained by reducing the presenting group like aldehydes or keto. Now come to isolation. How we will isolate from the plant. Okay, generally we will dry the obtained material is dried, then convert into a coarse powder and then the process extraction, as we all know, extraction by Soxhlet apparatus. Okay, and solvent we will use here is alcohol, ethyl alcohol. Now we will obtain from plant and the material is dried and converted into coarse powder, then extraction with Soxhlet apparatus. Now there will be some non-glycosidal part or impurities. Now we can say impurities because we want only pure glycoside. So these are impurities, non-glycosidal impurities. We can remove this by precipitation. Okay, precipitation by lead acetate, and further the lead acetate is precipitated by H2S gas is lead sulfide. Okay, now the solution is filtered out and the filtrate content pure glycoside, and filter we can do with under reduced pressure, or other suitable procedure we can use, okay, under reduced pressure. Okay, now purification is done by column chromatography. Okay, so here we can revise this. Obtained part of glycoside from the plant, then dry it, convert into coarse powder, and these coarse powder we can extract by Soxhlet apparatus using the solvent alcohol. And by extraction what we will get, and non-glycoside and glycoside portion. Okay, so non-glycoside we don't want, so these are impurities, so we have to filter out it. So we will precipitate and we will use the lead acetate solution, and further the impurities of lead acetate is removed by H2S gas as lead sulfide solution. Now the filtrate will contain pure glycoside, and filtration will be by under reduced pressure. We will do filtration and purification by column chromatography. This is the phenomena of isolation, how to isolate a glycoside. Now come to classification. Classification is much important. First one, again important, anthraquinone glycosides. Anthraquinone glycosides. Anthraquinone glycosides. There are lots of questions from anthraquinone glycoside in your GPAT, NAPER or other pharmacist competitive exams. So anthraquinone glycosides, the examples are aloe, rhubarb, cascara, senna and frangula. So we have difficulty to learn these examples, so we can make trick to learn Ali and Ruby क्लास से फ्रेंड हैं. Okay, so this is the trick. Ali means aloe, Ruby means rhubarb, class means cascara, and this is very important, senna. Okay, anthraquinone is important due to senna, or senna is important because it is anthraquinone glycoside. It's much important. Frangula. All examples are important, but senna, aloe or rhubarb, generally the questions from these three portion. So Ali and Ruby class से friend है is a trick of anthraquinone glycoside. Aloe, rhubarb, cascara, senna and frangula. Second one again important, cardiac glycoside. Medicinal chemistry, pharmacology, chemistry of natural drugs, pharmacognosy. This cardiac glycoside is much important. Examples, first one is digitalis, squill, okay, strophanthus, okay, cuban and thevetia. So again the difficulty in examples, So we can make trick